This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Well guys, on the gold market, in the central place of our analysis in the short-term perspective stands this pattern that we have discussed yesterday. That is the evening star 3-candle reversal pattern that has the minimum target that equals to its length, the length of the bars that stands inside of it. It consists of, and if you will count it to the downside, you approximately will get the targets around monthly pivot point 1217 area. That is absolutely suitable for bottom of the potential right shoulder of the big pattern that we have discussed previously. So I mean this reverse head and shoulders pattern. Well, now you can see that market is trying to trigger this pattern. So I have marked this low of this pattern by this dashed line, and the pattern is treated as the triggered by the price action when the market moves below its low. This market, as you can see, has made an attempt to do this, but now stands above it and returns right back up. So if market will start move lower and will close below this low, we will say that a pattern has been triggered and we will be on the road on the way to the target. But by some reasons that you will see on the intraday charts, market now stands in the retracement, and we need to wait the end of this retracement first. Second moment here is you can see that price now stands below the weekly pivot support one, and that is the sign that market that is not just a retracement down. This market probably will continue move lower, because we know that when the market stands in upward trend, the weekly pivot support one should hold any retracement. If it can't do this and market price moves below the weekly pivot support one, this tells us that this move down is not just a retracement. That probably could become the reversal, and downward action could continue on the next week. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see that first of all, by this action, market has formed greater swing to the downside than previous swing to the upside. This is also the sign of the short-term reversal pattern, reversal situation. Also, market has passed through this wedge that we have discussed, has formed here 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth wave. This was the breakout. That is the classical behavior with the wedge pattern is accompanied by the divergence. Market has done it when it has hit this -618. We have talked about this a million of times. Now you can see that market has hit the first support, that is 3-8 support of the whole move up from this low to this high. So 3-8 support, 1230 area. Now we see there's a reasonable bounce up. Well, currently it's difficult to say how significant this retracement could be to the upside, but maybe even retracement right to the broken line, it will not be the strategy for the possible development, because in this case market just will show deeper action inside of the pattern that has been formed on the daily time frame, as we said, evening star pattern, and the retracement even to this broken line, it will not be the some drastic moment for bearish setup. The bearish setup will hold if even this retracement will happen, but I prefer to see a bit smaller retracement, not as significant as to this one. Well, the next target will be in the level that we're particularly watching for, as we said yesterday, is this area. 618 support. That's also the lows of the left shoulder of this potential pattern, 1210, 1215 area. The level itself stands at 1213. Okay, so let's watch what will happen. On the hourly time frame chart, we also have the bullish butterfly in the short-term perspective right at the 4-hour fib support. So that is the support and the butterfly. Okay, so that's why retracement could be some more significant, even maybe to the 1250 area. It's not will be the really the strategy, because gold markets likes to show the deep retracement, but I prefer to see that retracement will stop somewhere inside of this resistance cluster. That is confidence support, confidence resistance around 1243 area. Also, you can see these minor levels around this confidence resistance. So if price will stick inside of this area, that will be much better. So just retracement here and downward continuation. Anyway, as our short-term bearish setup is still valid and you are watching and searching for the possibility to take the short position, the current situation, current retracement is the chance to do this, but only if you trade on the intraday charts. If you trade on the daily time frame chart, you should do nothing because our major objective point here is to wait this valley. When the market will reach this area, we will start to search the possibility for long taking the long position. That's our primary object, since that video update is mostly dedicated to the daily time frame chart. Well, and we do not treat this possibility for short entry or any short trading on the intraday charts as some important moment here. So I just point you some levels and some situations that is now forming on the intraday charts. Maybe this will be useful for you, but again, our major object is the value around 1210, 1215 area, where we will start to search for reversal patterns on the intraday charts, and we'll start to investigate the possibility for taking the long position. So currently, gold market stands in a row with our trading plan, in a row with our expectations. I do not see any curious action that could suggest some flaws in overall bearish setup right now. So price action is absolutely logical and stands in agreement with our expectations. So let's see what will happen today and tomorrow.